Oh, that sky doesn't look happy one little bit. So I'm gonna race this weather. I'm probably not gonna beat it, but that's okay, because it's like 90 degrees today. What's up, humans? How's your mom and them? I'm on a quest to get a very specific type of potato for a very specific person. I ate a potato that was not mine, and now I am off on a quest to replace it. Look, errands become way more fun when you treat them like RPG fetch quests, I'm just saying. I bet this guy in the Ram in front of me is pissed he's having to go the speed limit. None of the local stores have the one that I need to replace, so I have to go across the city. And you know what? That's fine. I don't mind that. But it also puts me in an area where I can replace several other things, so it's advantageous to yours truly. Baby, I am stoked. It doesn't feel that bad outside today, honestly. It's probably because of all of that. Gross looking clouds, but you know, if I don't beat the rain, it's not a big deal because it's not freezing outside. We've successfully maneuvered around the litter crew. They are safe. They are still alive as of filming. I don't know how that will proceed. People drive like idiots around here, but I digress. No. Yep, I'm going the speed limit. You can just tolerate that sign. I hate those, especially when you like whiz by them doing like 20 over and they got the little blue lights. Like, they're like, fuck you, don't do that. Actually enforce traffic laws if you want to slow people down. They're not gonna, but like, that's what's gonna have to happen. It's like there's traffic cameras they got everywhere. Legally, we don't have to pay that in the state of Tennessee, which I think is pretty poggers because I blast by them every time. I don't care. And like, I might be doing 3-4 over, tops. I don't think they can see me. That's the thing. Like, they've never clocked me, but they get the big trucks all the time, you know? I think I might be a little bit too small for the detection thingy. Well, I guess I'll just be chilling at the front of the line then. Cool beans. Whew. That skybox is evil. Potato! 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 I like the fact they got a Mercedes Sprinter Mercedes Sprinter ambulance there, not minivan. Sprinters are anything but mini. I think I'll catch y'all whenever I've reached Potato Town.
Not much later.
Yeah, I gave him 3 wheels down. All right, we're almost to my destination, and then we'll turn around and get to the potato place right after, you know, because I gotta take care of my needs first and foremost. It's okay, the potato's like $1 because it's a potato. Oh, that's right, this is a big bump. Let me get over. So I can reasonably take this at a... There we go. Are they open? Yeah, they're open. Whose charger is that? Anyway, I need incense. Hello. That truck is loud as shit, dude. That liquor store right there is actually pretty decent. Real cheap. We are cutting it awfully fucking close. That's okay. My destination is on this side of the road. Way up here. So it's okay. Everywhere is on a strode in the south. It's not fair. Alright. The side quest has been completed. Now we're back to our main quest, which is Potato Quest. We're almost there. Let's get behind this here lawn care vehicle. Because surely they will trip the sensors. Ugh. Right in the coochie. It's okay. It's not like I haven't been pounded there before. Anyway, I'm going to find me a place to park, and I'm gonna get this tater. Probably a few of them, honestly. And leave. Potato, potato. Potato, potato, potato. Potations.
Give me your money.
Alright, potato quest is completed. Let's get her did. Ooh, that's a Porsche. I keep forgetting they made a fucking station wagon. Perhaps I should, go to the light. I'm a fish. I'm a fish. I'm a fish. Look at that little straight pipe they got there. Oh, God, I gotta head right into it, huh? Oof. What's happening here? Might as well just shoot on through because the light is yellow. They're doing more resurfacing, it looks like. But anyway, I think that's enough questing for one day. I'm headed home. I'm probably gonna take a shower because I've been sweating like a whore in shirts this whole time. I'm gonna keep the next couple of miles between me and the insurance company. Y'all have a good one. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe.